In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build SOPs in ClickUp and the 3 parts of a great SOP. By the end, you'll have a repeatable way to create clear, consistent procedures your team can actually follow. First, open ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and sign in. Head to the space where you want your SOPs to live. It's best to keep all procedures in one space or a dedicated folder so people know exactly where to find them. In that space, open the space settings. You'll usually see a gear or settings option near the space name. If you can't access it, you may need space admin permissions. Inside space settings, look for the templates area and choose browse templates. This opens ClickUp's library, which is the fastest way to get a solid SOP structure without starting from a blank page. Use the search bar and type SOP. You'll see a variety of options, from document-style templates to list-based ones with tasks and checklists. Preview a few to see which structure matches how your team works. If you mostly write instructions, a doc template is great. If you track recurring steps and assignees, a list template may be better. When you find a match, select it. Click Use Template. Depending on your setup, you may be prompted to choose where it should live, what to name it, or whether to carry over things like statuses or custom fields. Confirm your choices, then click Use Template again to finalize. In a few seconds, your new SOP shell will appear in your space, ready to fill in. Now, build your content around the 3 parts of a great SOP. Part 1 is purpose and scope, the why and when. At the top, state what this procedure covers, when to use it, who is responsible, and any prerequisites. Clear triggers and boundaries prevent confusion later. Part 2 is the procedure, the how. Write each action as a short, specific instruction, 1 action per line, with links or attachments where helpful. If you use tasks, convert steps into checklist items and add the right assignees and due dates. Part 3 is quality and maintenance, the proof. List success criteria, required outputs or deliverables, and links to reference materials. Add an owner, a last updated date, and a review cadence so the SOP stays current. Before you wrap up, apply a consistent name, set the right permissions, and make it easy to search. A quick internal review helps catch gaps. And that's it. Open ClickUp, go to Space Settings, Browse Templates, search SOP, select your template, use it, confirm, then fill in the 3 parts and share with your team.